qualifications or an education excuse me, or education level that is required. If you want to, you might want to become an engineer, you might want to become a teacher. There's so many professions and you all must be knowing about it. So today we are going to discuss about your profession, your ideas. What do you want to become in future? How will you achieve your goals?
Correct.
What are the obstacles you are going to face? How you are going to overcome them? So today our main focus will be on that. So whom should we start?
Ma'am, we have Vaibhavi from class 5, so we can start from her.
We can start
And
from
we
education.
now Arsham is also there, so it's better that we should start from class 5.
Class 5. Sure.
Vaibhavi, are you there? Vaibhavi, good morning, beta. Is my voice audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today we are going to start from you, Vaibhavi.
And children, one
You're
more
going to
thing
tell
I
us?
want to say.
Yes, ma'am.
When we are going to end this class today, we have a very interesting homework for you all. So wait for your homework. It is a very interesting one. You'll enjoy the homework. So let's do our class today very nicely, and then sir is going to tell you what the homework is for today. We have a very special homework for you all today. So let's continue.
And what?
You will get it to know by the end of the class. You have to wait. By the end of the class, you will get it.
So the main agenda is that you have to wait. Okay.
You have to wait. Okay, baby. Don't waste time.
You can start by greeting each other, like good morning everyone. Myself Vaibhavi, and I want to become like whoever you want to.
See, whenever you're talking about your introductions, you have to tell your name anyhow.
Yes, where you are inspired.
Good morning, everyone. I am Vaibhavi Dwivedi, and I want to become so and so in future because. And then you can continue. Okay, continue. Start, Vaibhavi.
Vaibhavi, are you there?
Yes, sir. Good morning, everyone. My name is Vaibhavi Dwivedi. I study in class 5, and I want to be a IAS officer in my future.
In the future?
I want to be a IAS officer.
Okay.
Continue, Vaibhavi.
You will become an IS officer because you want to. Because what is the reason? Why do you want to become a civil service person? Beta, your voice is lagging in between. If it is possible, you can please come in a proper network area.
And I want to be an IAS officer because I want to help everyone.
Because I want to.
Help everyone. She wants to help the nation, help the people, serve the people.
Serve the people. Okay.
Okay.
That's it.
So, Vaibhavi, do you have any idea what qualifications you require to be an IAS officer?
Exciting ministers on economic policies, maintaining of law and order, etc.
To maintaining law.
And what is the education level? What is the education level you require? How educated you should be to be an IAS officer?
And that I don't know.
That's it.
Okay, no problem. No problem. We'll let you know. Okay. I'll let you know. So we have Arsham also. Arsham, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good morning, Arsham. This is your turn. Now you're going to greet everyone. Good morning, beta. Now you're going to greet everyone. And then you're going to tell what do you want to become in future. Secondly, why you want to become that person, like what is your profession, okay? Please start.
Good morning. My name is Arsham Salman. In my future, I want to become a doctor. By becoming a doctor, I want to help people who cannot get rid of so many diseases.
Okay.
Okay.
Anything else? Speak.
No, sir.
And Arsham, what is the education
Arsham?
level? How educated you should be? How educated you should be? What is the qualification that you need to have to be a doctor? Just 12th will do? No, no. So what education level you require?
Knowledge about doctors.
Knowledge about doctor is good, but how educated you should be, what degree you should have to be a doctor. See, I cannot become a doctor because I do not have the degree. So what education level, what qualification you should have to be a doctor? Yes, yes, you can ask somebody at your home. It is not that, it is not an exam going on कि आप ही को बोलना है. You can ask your parents or somebody if you have at home. Okay, so you don't know the education level. Ask mama, papa and let me know tomorrow, okay? Oh, good effort.
Okay. Is there anyone else from class 5? Is there anyone else? And please, all of you, listen to me very carefully. When you're going to speak, you're going to put yourself unmute, okay? But right now, mute yourself so that the disturbance, it has been stopped from your side, okay? Because while the other person is speaking, we listen the other things also, okay? So it becomes very annoying also for us as we are not able to listen appropriately what the person is speaking. Okay, so rest of you, please mute yourself. The person who is speaking is going to unmute himself or herself. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So is there anyone else from class 5? Please, beta, let me know. Is there anyone else? No one? Okay,
I
so
think we
we'll
should
move on.
to
We'll
class
move on
4
to
now.
correct. Correct.
I think we'll start with Sanjeevni today. She is attending the class for the first time, so I think we can start with Sanjeevni of class 4. Sanjeevni, if you could just tell us in few lines what do you want to become in future?
One thing more. One thing more, beta.
Just a second, listen to sir first.
Don't get nervous because you were not there yesterday. You didn't know what was.
a doctor in the future.
Okay, speak. You would like to become a
Doctor in the future.
doctor in future. Okay, that's really nice. And should I ask you this question? Why you want to become a doctor?
Because they help people to recover themselves.
Oh wow, that's really nice. That's a good thought. Okay, and do you know you have to be in which stream to become a doctor? Like in future,
No, sir.
after high school,
sir.
you have to take science side. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you, Sanjeevni. That was very good. That was very nice, appreciable.
All
Okay,
the
ma'am.
future doctors can listen to this since we have so many doctors in our batch. So you
Correct.
have to take, as sir told you, you have to take science stream. You have to study science till your graduation and post graduation level to become a doctor.
And
Okay.
you have to take the degree of MBBS.
MBBS.
MBBS in any other specific, like whichever department you choose to become. Like you want to become a cardiac, or you want to be in neuro or something of that sort. I'm not a doctor. I don't know that much. Okay. So you have to take MBBS degree, and you have to take PCB science. Okay. Anyone
Physics,
else from class
chemistry, and
four?
biology. Okay.
Yes.
So we have so many
Thank you.
doctors here. So please, so this is a very good information that Avinash has given, that you have to take science stream, PCB. You have to study physics, chemistry, and biology to become a doctor, and in specific field, whatever you want to become. So now is it clear to everyone? Arsham, Sanjeevni, and all the other doctors?
Future.
Yes, ma'am.
Future doctors.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. I'm class 4. Anyone else who's from class 4? Aditi?
Okay, let Aditi speak. Oh, let Aditi tell, and after that Shashwat can tell. Okay. Then we have Arav also. So after that Arav will speak. Okay. Aditi, please speak.
Also. Good
Yes, I can see all of you. Wait, you all will get chance. We'll start with Aditi. Aditi, please speak.
Good morning. I want to become a doctor because a doctor is a saver of life and they can help the people.
It's only people, baby. Anything else you want to speak?
Yes, who need them when they feel sick.
Okay. Anika ma'am, do you like to speak anything?
No, sir, it's okay. She also wants to become a doctor. So now I think she has an idea what she has to do, what stream she has to take. And let us continue now. Shashwat, please continue.
Yes, ma'am. Hello, everyone. I am Shashwat. I want to be a teacher because it is a respected job in a society. I want postgraduate degree. Thank you and have a nice day.
Very good.
Okay, that was nice, Shashwat. But I would like to add on one thing, that every profession is respected.
Respectable.
Okay?
Very
And
true.
second, yes, ma'am. And secondly, you have to be like, you have to do postgraduate and you have to take the degree of B.Ed. Okay, that is
Bachelor's in education.
Education. Correct.
And to all of you should listen this. Sir has said a very good thing, that all the jobs in the society are respectable. See, if you are doing some work, you are earning. It is not that that the jobs are not respectable. All the jobs, all the work that you do in the society is respectable. Even if you're a doctor, just a second, later you will get your chance. If you are a doctor, if you are a teacher, if you are a IS officer, all the jobs are respectable. Every job, every position holds its importance. Okay.
Correct.
Now who's
Okay,
left?
so we
Arav.
have the next.
Arav, can you hear me? Arav, please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All of you, please mute yourself. Only Arav will speak. Everybody else, please mute yourself.
Ma'am.
And Arav, listen to me. Arav,
Yes, ma'am.
you will speak with full confidence. Okay. Don't be nervous. Don't hesitate. Okay. All your classmates and schoolmates are here. Okay. So you will not get nervous. Okay. So first you will tell your name and then you will quickly tell what do you want to become. Is it clear? और बहुत अच्छे से बोलेंगे. Arav will not hesitate. With a smile on his face and with full confidence. Chalo, start.
My name is Arif Kumar and I become a police.
You want to become please speak. I want to become a police officer.
I want to become a police officer.
Okay. And why do you want to become a police officer? बताओ.
It's because he catch thief.
So you want to catch thief?
Yes, ma'am.
So Arif's
Okay,
goal is
and-
ultimately he wants to catch everyone.
Catch a thief.
Like,
And Arab, what will you do
Like
when you will
criminal.
catch a thief? You will beat him?
Ma'am, yes.
No, you will not
Okay.
beat him.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Better you will get chance. Let him finish. You all will get chance. Okay? You all will get chance. Let him finish first. And Arab, because you want to catch thieves, so you want to become a police officer.
Ma'am, police officer.
Very good.
Okay. Let's move on to the next one. Anika ma'am.
Who is this Arohi Saxena?
So from class 4.
Ma'am,
please.
she's my sister.
And what is your name, beta?
Ma'am, Vivan.
Okay,
Please
so
put on
you are
mute.
Vivan. Okay. Okay, good morning, Vivan. Now please continue. You please speak about yourself.
Good morning, everyone.
Ma'am, Vivan, so
Studying in class 4. I want to become a CID officer.
Okay, so to become a CID officer. Good. So why do you want to become a CID officer?
Ma'am,
Because you watch CID. Okay, please continue. Why do you want to become a CID officer?
Ma'am, because they solve cases.
They solve
Ma'am, Vivan
cases. What
is
kind
in
of
class?
cases? He's in class 4. Vivan is in class 4. What kind of CID cases? What CID cases? Because you watch CID, so you want to become a CID officer.
Yes, ma'am.
And what is the
We'll be
education
having
level?
IPS officer also after some time.
Ah.
But I would like to know, Vivan, your beta.
Ma'am, four.
Class 4. He's in class 4. Okay, chalo, good. Anybody else from class 4?
Yes, ma'am.
Please continue.
Yes,
Please.
ma'am.
Okay. What's your name, beta? First tell your name.
I'm Aradhi Singh.
Aradhi Singh. Yes, Aradhi, please speak now.
Good afternoon. I'm Aradhi Singh from class 4 and I want to become a struggler engineer because I want to build a rocket.
Okay.
Avinash,
Really
sir.
nice. So, yes, ma'am.
What did he say? What kind of engineer? I couldn't hear him properly. What engineer?
I'm struggler engineer.
Struggler engineer. Something related to rocket science. And
Okay. I
Yeah.
haven't heard the struggler engineer before.
even I hadn't. But
I thought he is going to say
He's-
struggler. Then he said engineer. What is a struggler engineer? If you know something about it, Aradhi, if you can tell everyone.
please, if you can brief us.
Because I have heard.
Mommy is joining now.
Aradhi, can you hear me? Okay, I think we need to search about it, sir, because I had heard this for the very first time.
Yeah, just give me a minute. I'll do it.
If you could just do it first. It is something related to rocket science, no? I think everybody wants to know what exactly he is saying.
Okay, for the time we should move to the next one.
I think we'll let you know in the other class maybe. Anybody else from class 4?
Ma'am, I Samiksha.
So yes, Samiksha, please speak about yourself.
Ma'am, she's muted herself.
Samiksha, please unmute yourself and please tell to the class.
My name is Samiksha. I want to become a doctor because I want better facilities. I want to give better
Huh?
facilities,
Huh?
facilities of healthcare.
Okay, you want to give better facilities related to health.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. And just now Avinash sir told you that what stream you have to take to become a doctor. Yes, Samiksha.
Need
What are you saying?
qualify need, ma'am.
What are the qualifications that you need to become a doctor? Avinash sir has already told you. So if you could just recapitulate for the class.
Ma'am, need. Ma'am,
Neat,
need.
neat.
Okay. I
Okay.
thought she's saying need. Okay, good.
Okay, that's really nice. And Aradhya, you
Just to
have
qualify,
to,
right?
yeah, Aradhya, you have to do engineering in aerospace. Okay,
Okay.
to
Aradhi?
build to build a rocket, you have to do engineering in
In
aerospace.
aerospace. Okay. Okay.
Okay, now
Aradhi,
who's
now
there?
did you
Yes,
understood
ma'am.
what you have to do in future? You have to do it. So what is that? Engineering in aerospace, right?
Correct, ma'am.
Oh, chalo, good. That's a new information for all of us. Anybody else from class?
No, ma'am.
All are done, sir.
Most probably, ma'am. Is there anyone
Oh,
left from class 4? We are asking once more. Please let us know.
I
Okay,
think we should
Araf
move
from
it now.
class 5, are you there? Araf of class 5, are you still there? No, ma'am, he's not there. So we should start with class 3 now.
I think we should start with this Suryansh. Suryansh,
Okay.
can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Please speak about yourself quickly.
Hello, everyone.
Others, please mute yourself. Others, it's a request. Please mute yourself.
Ma'am, I can
Start.
speak.
Please start.
Yes, beta, why not?
Hello, everyone. My name is Suryan Sen. My aim in the life is to become a scientist. My role model is famous scientist Dr. Abdul Kalam. I like science a lot. I want to serve the society from my invention and findings. Thank you and have a nice day.
Very
Wow,
good.
Suryansh, that was really good. I think that Suryansh is the one who yesterday
Who
also
has
he gave
actually
good
done his
performance.
homework. Suryansh is the one who has actually done his homework. He has actually Googled and checked what he wants to become, how he will become, and who is his role model. Very good.
Correct, correct. So,
Correct. Very
we
good,
move to the
Suryansh.
next one now.
Sir.
Yes, sir. I think we should now move to Sanjeevni of class 3. Please start, beta.
Good morning, everyone. My name is
Sanjeevni, please look at the camera. Please look at the camera and speak with confidence. Yes, start now. Good.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Sanjeevni. My ambition is to become a space scientist. I got this inspiration from Mission Mangal movie. I want to become a space scientist so that I can discover new things. Thank you and have a nice day.
Very
Very
nice.
beautiful. Very nice. Quality answer she has given.
Yes, ma'am. To be
Okay.
true.
Who's next? Who's next? Anybody left? Who's this new student? Just a second.
Rajveer. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Beta,
Okay. Swaransh,
Yes, ma'am.
please start. After Saransh, Rajvi will speak. Saransh, start.
Ma'am, is it Saransh or Swaransh?
My name is
Saransh, Saransh.
Ma'am,
Okay, you all will get chance, Peter, one by one, no?
morning, everyone.
Others, please mute yourself. Only Saransh will speak.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Saransh Dwivedi. I want to become a police officer in my future. I want to become a police officer because police officers catch thieves
Okay.
and criminals.
And criminals.
criminals.
Okay.
Okay.
So both of you, Vaibhavi and Saransh, both of you want to become police officers. So there are two police officers in the family.
No, ma'am. Vaibhavi want to become an IAS officer.
Acha, she wants to
She's
become.
gonna have-
Chalo, theek.
She's gonna have civil services, and he's gonna become a police officer.
He wants to be. I thought she's also. Okay.
Saransh, you should go for IPS now. Okay, so one of the family member will become IAS, and the other
Yes, and
one will become IPS. Okay,
Yes.
that's a good thing that you should have a bigger goal. Okay, so let's move forward.
Okay, now Rajvi will speak now.
Good morning, everyone. I am Rajvi of the class.
Rajvi, please switch on the video also so that we can see you.
Yes, Rajvi, please. Acha, please mute yourself.
From class third, I would like to become a scientist because I want to invent new things. For example, Thomas Edison has invented that only. I would also invented new things. Thank you.
Okay. That was good. He wants to become a scientist because he wants to invent new things. Okay.
Thank you.
And he has stated an example also
Okay.
of Thomas
That's
Alva
good.
Edison. Good.
Welcome, ma'am.
Who invented the bulb?
Okay, good. Ansh, can we start with you now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, continue.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Ash Mathur. I want to become a doctor in my future because I will help the person who are sick. And I will
So
give
you
medicine.
have to become a doctor and help the person like in need.
He wants to help the sick and needy.
Yes, okay. Till next. That's good thought. Okay, so we are left with anyone from plus 4.
So how many are done on your count? You're counting. How many are done?
Just a minute.
How many are done?
Ma'am, Shreyansh.
Shreyansh, just a second.
Ma'am, Swastik.
Okay, Shreyansh, you continue, then Swastik will do. Okay, Shreyansh, start.
My name is Shreyansh Sharma. I study in class 3rd at St. Anand Jabriya School, Alabad campus, Lucknow. I want to become a marine officer because my father is a marine officer. Military.
Okay,
so
and what
you
does
have
marine
taken your
officer
father
do?
as an idol.
He has taken his father as an idol. Good, but what is the role? What is the job of a marine officer? I don't know. Tell me. Shreyansh, what is the role, what is the job of the marine officer? नहीं पता.
Yes.
Okay, so when you are going to talk to your father next, you maybe on a call or if he's at home, you ask him what is his job, and I'll ask you tomorrow. Okay? You ask him what does he do, what is his job, what is his role. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
And you will tell me
That's your
also.
homework.
ठीक है? Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now Swastik, please continue.
Hi everyone, my name is Swastik. I study in class 3. I want to become a doctor because I want to care, treat
You want to take
patients.
care of sick patients. Okay.
To become a doctor, I have to study science and biology.
Very good.
Okay.
He was the one listening
Very nice.
very carefully.
Yeah. Yes, we can say that, ma'am.
Good, good. Anybody else left? Sir, please tell the count.
Ma'am, there are 70 now.
Okay,
Like-
who is this Piyush Ranjan?
Ma'am, it's the person from the software which we use.
Okay, oh, I'm so sorry. I thought. Okay, I thought he has not spoken. I was now asking him to speak.
Yeah,
Acha,
even
he is a-
Piyush can speak. That's not
What?
a problem for us.
I was wondering who is this gender, who is this student who has not spoken till now and he is not saying anything else.
Yes, this is our communication class, and even everyone is going to speak.
Everyone is going to speak.
Like
Okay.
now, I'm going to speak out myself, Avinash
please.
Paul. And when I was in class 9th and 10th, there was a teacher in my school. His name was Peter Collins. And whenever he used to come in our class, whenever he used to give the lectures, we used to just sit and listen to him. He was the only teacher who was like fantabulous. Everything was on his tips. So at that time, I took him as my idol. That is the reason I want to become a teacher like him. And today he is the vice principal of Lamatnia College. So this is the reason why I came into this profession. And I really wanted to become a teacher, like a professional one, not a teacher, but a professional teacher. Okay. So we are done here. But the homework I'm going to tell you in 2 minutes. One thing I wanted to ask from you people, that see, 3 steps we have taken. First was introduction. Second was your family, friends, and your favorite leisure. What do you do in your, like when you are sitting idle? Okay. And the third one was what are you wanting to become in future? Okay. So these 3 steps are going to be all together. So you are going to introduce, this is how you're going to introduce yourself in future when if a person asks you what is your name, okay, and where are you studying right now, in which standard you are, okay, so who's your best friend? These are some common questions. Isn't that, Anika ma'am? These are some
Very
common
true,
questions
very
which
true.
a person can
I think
ask.
I think now after these 3 classes, they can write a page or 2 about themselves because they have
Correct.
gathered, they have gained information about themselves, not about the others, but about themselves. They have a
And
clear
this is-
idea about themselves now.
Correct. Exactly. This is what we wanted because whenever you're going out and speaking, you should have that potential and you should be in full confidence whatever you're speaking because this is what you're going to show people that what we are learning from this institute. Okay.
I think
Are you
all
listening?
these 3 classes now, if somebody asks them, if someone asks them randomly, tell something about yourselves, it should be on their tips now. Like within a minute,
Correct.
they can start speaking about themselves.
Yes.
And they know what
Don't get
information they
nervous.
have to speak and in what sequence.
Exactly. Correct, ma'am. Correct. Very true. And please don't get nervous. Don't use fillers like, okay, these are something very which shows you are lacking the confidence. Okay. And secondly, stop stammering. Even I do the same thing, like I have used right now. Okay, it's a filler. And secondly, when you lack confidence, you start stammering. Okay, so this is how you're going to practice every day. Give 5 minutes, stand in front of the mirror, tell about yourself to the mirror, and see how you're speaking. Okay, because your gestures also shows that what sort of confidence level you are having. Okay, try to make it simple, don't make it so complex. Okay, that myself and all that thing, don't use so complex word, be simple. Okay, anything else, Anika ma'am, you like to add?
Just that, so they have to practice their communication. They have to practice speaking in front of the
Correct.
mirror daily,
Correct.
5 to 10 minutes. Day one will not be good. They will stammer. Day two again they will stammer. Then they will gradually improve,
Big
and
things.
I think by the end
Correct.
they will gain that confidence that we are looking for.
Then everything is going to be on your tips. You speak. You
And not about
speak
themselves.
everything.
Anything else they are going to read or speak, they will speak with the same confidence.
Correct.
See, pronunciation is something different, and working on the communication skills is completely different.
There's an old proverb, it's not about only man, but the proverb is like, practice makes a man perfect.
Man perfect.
Okay, so you are going to practice it meticulously and thoroughly. Okay, carefully and thoroughly by heart. Then only you're going to achieve your goal. This is how you're going to introduce yourself. Okay. So, ma'am,
And-
shall we tell them the homework today?
That is what I was going to say now, sir. We can reveal the homework to them since they are waiting. Since 11
today-
o'clock, it's 11:45 now. I think we should tell them.
The homework is quite
All of you,
special.
please listen carefully to Avinash, sir. Please, all of you, listen carefully. I think you're going to
homework is-
enjoy your homework.
Correct, correct. Absolutely, ma'am. So what are we going to do? The homework is quite special. Okay, beta. The homework is quite special. Today you are not going to write anything. Today you are not going to do anything just for the sake that you have to practice those 3 steps. But the homework, actual homework is that today you are going to watch something. Okay. And I hope you know Sachin Tendulkar.
Yes, sir.
All of you must be knowing.
Sir. Yes, sir. He's a cricketer.
He's a
Oh
cricketer.
wow.
Oh,
Look, we are getting the idea now.
we are getting the ideas now. And nobody wants to become a cricketer. None of them has said, I want to become a cricketer. But anyways, so you can go ahead with the homework.
Yeah, no one was. Okay, so the homework was movie Sachin, a billion. Okay. Most of you might be having an activity at home.
Okay, all of you first mute yourself again. First mute yourself again because there's a lot of disturbance now. All of you, please mute yourself. You have to just listen what sir and I are.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Now,
thank
your
you.
homework for the day is you are going to watch the movie Sachin, A Billion Dream. You might be having DVDs or CDs at home. If you don't have, you can watch it on internet.
You-
I think, sir, you can guide how they can watch.
You can just go to that application, YouTube. Okay, type Sachin, a billion dream movie. Okay, you will get the link for that. Are you listening?
They're listening, so they've muted themselves.
Okay. So please go and watch this movie. This is going to inspire you how he became a sportsman and how he struggled a lot. He was like going through some phases, and you will come to know about his biography. Okay.
Basically, the idea of the movie is he was just a normal person like you and me. He was not born in a very rich family or with something very special. He was a normal person. He had normal dreams like you people have, like I have, like sir have. And he was a very normal person. How he overcome every obstacle in his life, how he achieved his dream, how he achieved his ambition. He always wanted to become a cricketer. Kaise bana? How he did that? The movie is all about his journey. So I think the movie is really going to inspire you all to achieve your goals, to achieve your ambitions. You all should watch that movie. Don't write anything, just watch it carefully. And tomorrow, maybe
Correct.
we'll have a quick 5 to 10 minutes discussion on that movie.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I've seen half movie.
Now you see full movie all over again. Those who have already seen the movie, they can watch it again. Because
Once
now
again,
we are
yes.
going to watch it from the different perspective. We're going to watch it from a different perspective now, from the
Correct.
point of view of the ambition, how he achieved his ambition. Okay?
Correct.
So those who have already seen the movie, please watch it once again. You have a lot of time at home these days. Go and watch the movie once again. It is a very nice movie.
And please, once again, I would like to suggest you people that what we have done in past 3 days, now you have to recapitulate it and bring it at one place. Like how you're going to introduce yourself, you're going to tell about your family, friends, your favorite leisure, and what do you want to become in future, and how you're going to achieve it, what are the qualifications that you have to go through, and the other things which are relevant. Okay? Any problem? Anyone?
Anybody wants to say anything, something?
Or ask anything?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, what was the movie name?
What is he saying, sir?
Beta Sachin, a billion dream. And is it Ansh? This is Ansh Mathur.
Mama, scream.
Pata nahi, I don't know who asked.
Pratima Mathur. Who's this?
Okay, Ansh Mathur. Ansh is.
Ansh
Ansh is.
Mathur. What do you do with your microphone? You have that echo.
His sound always echoes. In the class also, his sound is echoing.
Okay. So he might be having some equipment in
Some
his
problem.
vocal
Ah.
thought. Okay.
Anyways, now all of you, the homework is clear. The name of the movie is clear to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Any problem?
I
anyone?
think all of you are going to do the homework today. Or watch the homework today.
Ma'am, can I repeat the movie name?
Sachin, a billion dream.
Such an appealing thing.
Okay, what we are going to do, we are going to message you on WhatsApp. Okay?
We are going to message you the homework also.
Okay, sir.
So it's going to be
Since they might
specific
be
to you
having
all.
some- if there's any confusion or
Such an appealing dream.
a billion dream. It is not billion, it is billion. B for bat.
What?
Billion, yes.
Sachin, a billion dream. DILLION. We are going to send the homework also. Don't worry.
So we'll move tomorrow at the same time, same place, same people, okay?
And tomorrow also there is a very nice classwork that we have for you. Not homework, but the classwork. It is going to test your grammatical skills.
Such an appealing.
I think so we should end up now. Anything that is left?
Yes. Well, no, it's not like everything.
Okay.
Okay, thank you everyone. Meet.
Bye,
Thank you everyone. Okay, bye bye. Bye.
Bye bye. See you.
Bye bye.
See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Bye, sir.